Hello, good morning to all of you. Now, today we are going to start next chapter 6, Administrative System and Architecture during the Medieval Age. In the previous chapter, we have done whatever given in the exercise questions. Few high we have done up to 1 2 3, and last question 6 number. Okay, then rest of the whatever is there, that is given in your fill-ups, like what do you mean by prime meridian, what is international date line. So these the questions are there. Okay, so prime here, just you listen me and write here. See, prime meridian already in the question, you can fill-ups you have done maybe, but here once again we are going to start. I am telling and few question, though in your exercise nothing is there. So here, see, prime meridian. So one question you frame, what is prime meridian. Then in this page you open, here definitions are given very clearly. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It is divided the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Up to this much you write in this question. Now next question you frame related to next topic, international date line. Here you write what is international date line, or what do you mean by international date line. Answer, see here given already. There is only 180-degree longitude which is known as the international date line. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. The international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separate two calendar date. Up to here you write. Then next line you read, it is not exactly 180 degree at all places, since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. Or last line you see, zigzag word is there, zigzag. So here you frame one more question, कि why the international date line is zigzag. Why the international date line is zigzag. Then answer you will get here only in this stanza. See, you just start from the question, the international date line is zigzag because if it is drawn straight, see, if it is, yeah, fourth line you see, after because you just add, if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, it shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag. Okay, thank you. 3 question over. Now next, what is the next topic is local time. Na? Local time here. So you frame the question, what do you mean by local time. So first line read, the time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as local time of that place. Up to here only you write. Now next topic is standard time. Here also frame one question, what do you mean by standard time. So here definition is there, the local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. One more is there, continue. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. This line also join. For information, the standard time of our is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Up to here, you just write the answer. It will be in your short note also, or as a question answer also you can learn. So here it is finished, this chapter. Now just I am going to start next chapter, sixth chapter. What is the topic? Administrative system and architecture during the medieval age. Kasam Mir's Lokdairo, a group of folk singers, was organized in the village square, and the entire village had gathered there at night. Small children had already taken their position in front row. Patriotic songs were also being sung at the Lokdairo along with folk songs. Utsav like the Paliya recital, songs sung in honor of martyrs, very much. The next day he asked his Grandfather, what does Paliya mean? His grandfather told him that a Paliya is a memorial commemorating the heroes. It is a tribute to martyrs who have sacrificed their lives while protecting and ensuring the welfare of the people. These Paliyas are worshipped during festivals, and songs are sung as homage to these martyrs. This is the culture of our country. Here telling, now see, Kasam Mir's Lokdairo means one group of people were there. Kasam means they had organized a Lokdairo, a group of folk singers was organized in the village square, माने विलेज के बीच जो सेंटर एरिया है जहाँ सब लोग बैठ के मीटिंग करते हैं, वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने कुछ गाने वाने का आयोजन किया है. एंड द एंटायर विलेज हैड गैदर्ड देयर एट नाइट. पूरे एंटायर माने पूरे विलेज के लोग वहाँ पे रात में इकट्ठे हुए. बच्चों ने पहले से ही अपना पोजीशन ले लिया, पहले जगह फर्स्ट रो में बैठ गए. पेट्रोइटिक सॉन्ग्स वेयर ऑल्सो बींग संग एट द लोकदायरो. कह रहे लोकदायरो जो ग्रुप ऑफ फोक सिंगर्स हैं उनमें पेट्रोइटिक सॉन्ग को भी गाने का प्रोग्राम बनाया गया. उत्सव लाइक द पालिया recital means पालिया सॉन्ग संग्स इन ऑनर ऑफ मार्टियर्स मीन्स वहाँ पे एक उत्सव करके बच्चा था जो पालिया रिसाइटल. पालिया मीन्स व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ माने मार्टियर, शहीदों को जो गांव के लिए शहीद हो गए, अपना लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस किए, उनके लिए एक पिलर्स जैसा बनाया गया गांव में. उस पे उनके विषय में लिखा गया था. दैट स्टोन इज़ कॉल्ड पालिया. तो उत्सव ने उन लोगों के बारे में, मार्टियर्स के बारे के, उनको रेस्पेक्ट देने के लिए कुछ गाना गाया. द नेक्स्ट डे ही आस्क्ड हिज ग्रैंडफादर व्हाट डज पालिया मीन. फिर नेक्स्ट डे उत्सव ने अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फादर से पूछा कि पालिया मीन्स क्या होता है. His grandfather told him that a पालिया is a memorial commemorating the heroes. कह रहे हैं पालिया एक तरह का मेमोरियल माने लोगों के मेमोरी में बना एक पिलर है जिसमें हीरोज़ मीन्स जो जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस कर दिया उसके बारे में लिखा है, जिससे कि उनको रेस्पेक्ट मिले इस तरह. It is a tribute to martyrs who have sacrificed their lives while protecting and ensuring the welfare of the people. These paliyas are worshipped during festivals and songs are sung as homage to these martyrs. कह रहे हैं कि कभी कभी फेस्टिवल जब होता है हम लोग के, तो उस फेस्टिवल में इन पालियास को रेस्पेक्ट दिया जाता है, उनके आगे खड़े होके गाना गाया जाता है, प्रोग्राम किया जाता है, और इस तरह उन मार्टियर्स में शहीदों को रेस्पेक्ट दिया जाता है, सम्मान दिया जाता है. दिस इज़ द कल्चर ऑफ आवर कंट्री। कह रहे यही हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में आता है, ये हमारे इंडिया का कल्चर है कि हम लोग बहुत लोगों को इस तरह से रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं जिन्होंने अपना लाइफ हम लोग के लिए सेक्रीफाइस कर दिया। Now next, Utsav and his friends requested his grandfather, please enlighten us about the culture of our country. फिर उत्सव अपने और उनके अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेकर अपने ग्रैंड फादर से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमें इस तरह से कुछ और स्टोरी सुनाओ। वेट सेट ग्रैंडपा, फिर ग्रैंडपा बोलते हैं थोड़ा रुको। ही वेंट इन एंड केम बैक विथ सम पिक्चर्स। ही देन आस्क्ड Utsav, can you see temples in these pictures? It seems as if these stones have their own stories to narrate, isn't it? Today I shall tell you about the civilization and culture of the Rajput age. तो उनके ग्रैंडपा अब उन लोग को एक राजपूत एज की स्टोरी सुनाने जा रहे हैं, जिससे कि उसको उत्सव को और उसके फ्रेंड को हमारे इंडियन कल्चर के बारे में पता चले। तो हियर द फर्स्ट स्टोरी इज़ रिलेटेड टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग द राजपूत एज। This is very vast. I will start this one in the next video on Thursday when I will send. So till here I am ending here today. Okay, bye. Thank you.